Alright, YouTubers, so I installed a wastegate on my supercharger, and they want to ask why. So, as you know, these 5.7s are not boost ready. The ring lands on top is super thin, so you could blow your motor up, as you can see in the pictures here. I put a couple of pictures of these engines being blown up by extra boost and being lean. So right now I'm building a 6.4 fully forged with the MMX drop-in kit. As you can see, I posted a few pictures of Hellcat pistons. You can see the ring land on these pistons that are different from NA versus boost motors. What I did was I put a hole in a charge pipe to install a wastegate. So I'm blowing the excess boost out of the wastegate into the air, so I'm only putting 8 pounds of boost into my engine instead of the extra. Running small pulley right now, 3.4, which stands for